grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello to all you wonderful people out there. My name is Gabi and right. And this is Chrissy, but you can't talk no more.
And it's Yaadie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, so today's video we're going to share with you some interesting facts about Germany.
Yeah man, remember to subscribe, share, like and comment below, and don't forget, right? So one of the facts about Germany is, did you know that Germany has the densest highway system in the entire world? It also has no speed limit. It's the only one in Europe. Even though there are some speed limits, sometimes when there is a road work or so, they have the sign there and so, but most likely you'll find no speed limit in Germany. Imagine that.
Yeah, certain sections of the road you'll find a speed limit, but that's it.
Right, and it's really fun, let me tell you.
Yeah, that's scary. So guys, the next fact is that the first printing press was built by Johannes Gutenberg here in Germany, which means that the first book was created here in Germany, which was the
Lutheran Bible.
Yes man.
And guys, did you know that German is the most widely taught third language in the world?
So guys, this is a crazy fact. Can you believe that Germany has over 3,000 different types of breads? We even have a freaking bread museum here in Germany.
Yeah, now you know how come I did miss the bread in Jamaica. The German bread. Because you know by now how much variety there is. But one day we're gonna do a video just about the bread.
No mommy, we can't afford that video. How much would I spend for that?
So guys, did you know that the Christmas tree tradition comes from Germany or originates in Germany? Did you know that?
I didn't know that until doing this video, guys. So guys, did you know that Puma and Adidas are brands that were formed by two German brothers? Did you know that?
Yeah, I didn't know that. They even did make a movie out of that. It's very interesting. Really two brothers. Imagine.
Yeah, they split ways, right? Something like that.
Next one, guys. Did you know that in Germany you can find at least 2,100 different castles in all kind of shapes and things? Some of them are really well looking okay, like Neuschwanstein definitely is a Moscow. And some of them are a little bit just rumble and stoned and things like also, but it's well worth a visit. There's enough of them here. There's a lot of history here in Germany.
All the castles of back then. You have to come and visit them, guys. I haven't been to half of them even yet.
Not even one. Did you been to one?
Of course I've been to one. I've been to the one in Würzburg and in...
Wow!
Wait.
I forgot you've been to one castle.
And the one that we went together in Heidelberg.
Oh, true.
We've been to a few castles.
And you were tired of that castle.
We were so
But
tired.
Neuschwanstein, guys, it's absolutely amazing. It's in Bavaria and it's just wow.
Another fun fact is that 1/3 of Germany is covered in woodland and forests.
Yeah, man. Next one, guys, very interesting fact. Did you know that there are over 6,000 different brands of beers in Germany?
6,000?
6,000. Imagine that. In Bavaria, it's even considered food, right? So having a beer, so it's just like you're eating your food. It's a very old tradition here.
I live in the wrong country. I don't even like beer that much. So guys, another interesting fact is that Germany is the 7th largest country here in Europe. And it has about 80 million people here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a lot for such a small country.
Small country, okay.
Yeah, but it's small compared to some European countries like Spain and France.
Compared to Jamaica, this is a huge country.
Jamaica special, man. Did you know that there are over 1,600 different kind of sausages in Germany? There's so much sausage also they kill you with it. Trust me. and so much different varieties. It's just something else. And probably there's even more. I believe there's even more.
But you know, I don't even know so many. I know the Bratwurst, I know the Rindswurst.
Yeah, but you have the Bier, Schinken, and the Leberkäse.
So you count that to Wurst?
Of course, and you have the Leberwurst and the grobe Leberwurst and God knows what else.
So we should do a video about that too? Nah, it's too much
We
money.
have to buy all the shop.
So guys, this fact is also relevant to the fact that my mom just stated, is that the Bratwurst is one of the most famous / popular street foods here in Germany.
Definitely.
Yeah, we have it like currywurst.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how we eat it here.
I think
Mainly.
there's even a museum in Berlin or something, isn't there?
Yeah, we have even a museum for that.
And that was the
guys.
first thing you did eat a currywurst when we got here to Germany, Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah, the first thing we had, and it was good. I enjoyed.
Yeah, it's something you can actually enjoy, but I only had it once or twice since I'm here, and that's now 7 years, imagine.
Nah, I had it more than that though.
Yeah, you. And did you know that Germany is the capital city in Germany, and it
Germany is the capital city in Germany.
Okay. And did you know that Berlin is the capital city of Germany? It also has the largest train station in Europe.
Quite impressive, dang. So guys, this one is also kind of related to what my mom just said. So Berlin is almost 9 times bigger than Paris itself, guys. Imagine, and it has more bridges than Venice, and Venice is known for its bridges.
Yeah,
So damn,
definitely.
I need to go and visit Berlin, mommy.
Yeah, Berlin is very nice. It's first I visit as well.
When are you taking me to Berlin?
And Corona is finished.
One sweet day.
And guys, did you know that there are over 26,000 football clubs in Germany with over 6 million members? I mean, football is huge here in Germany. In Frankfurt here, where we live, we got the Frankfurter Eintracht.
Yeah.
And trust me, where I work, Frankfurter Eintracht is the thing. Everybody's talking about it.
Yeah. I think everybody kind of knows about the German football craziness.
Yeah, definitely.
So guys, another interesting fact is that Germany is one of the world's most largest car producers. Did you know that?
BMW, Mercedes, Porsche.
Audi,
Yeah, Audi, but I want a Porsche.
Porsche.
Jaguar. Are you buying me one Jaguar?
You know, some say want Rolls Royce.
You want a Jaguar?
Okay.
Can't keep your Rolls Royce also. I want a Jaguar. So, and now comes the last fact for today. Did you know that there are over 400 zoos in Jamaica?
Guys, trust me, she doesn't mean toes. She means zoos.
So guys, now comes the last fact for today. Did you know that there are over 400 zoos in Germany? Did you know that? Did you know?
I only know about the one in Frankfurt.
I've been there twice. One
Yeah.
nice one is in Munich. I like that one very much. But Stuttgart, Wilhelma, I also can recommend. And I think the one in Berlin is quite popular. And I believe it's one of the biggest, but I need to check out that first before I say anything wrong. Right guys?
Okay guys, so you've made it to the end of our video.
Yes, you survived it.
Thank you all for watching so much. We love you. Mwah!
Mwah! Take care, so long, bye bye, and remember to subscribe, don't forget.
Yeah, and like and share and comment down below. Peace!
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is a sun, and it shines, says it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun,